How to fix Elden Ring failed to acquire parental control information error. 1. Check PlayStation Network service status. 2. For Windows players, change the DNS server IP. Then restart the Elden Ring game. 3. Review then accept the data usage agreement. Path, settings, the network tab. 4. Disable cross-region online matchmaking. 5. Backup then delete current network. 6. PS users, enable temporarily disable parental controls. Path, settings, family controls, family management, select account, parental controls, change settings. 7. Play Elden Ring in offline mode, choose play offline in launch setting. 8. Contact the customer support team to raise a ticket.